art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tepig from Pokemon, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along in pace. So first let's get started with the eye. Going further over to the right, stepping down, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. Now to the left-hand side of this, we're going to draw in a smaller oval. And now let's add in a small highlight, so we're just going to add in a circle on the very top. Let's color in our pupil black now. Let's frame in the head, coming up on a diagonal on the left-hand side, rounding out the back. We're just going to curve this over and down. Let's leave a small gap now, continuing to round out the front of the head, curving this over, tucking that in. Let's add in the ears now. So behind on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this over and out on a diagonal. And now from that point on the top, we're going to continue to round this out, tucking this over and down to the top of the head. Stepping in, let's continue to curve this through to the top. And then now from that point, just rounding this back out, curving that into the top of the head. Let's come down for the nose. So we're going to curve this out. From that point, we're going to draw in a big sideways oval for the snout. Let's add in the little nostrils here. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small oval. We'll come up on a diagonal, replicating that on the left-hand side as well. Let's add in some details here. So on the left-hand side, curving this through towards the eye. We're just going to imagine that this pulls through underneath, rounding that out, curving that into the top. Now let's come across towards the top of the nose, and we're going to curve this over and through to the middle. And then now from that point, curving this down and over on the side. Let's come down underneath the eye. We're going to curve this across on a diagonal to the nose. And now let's round this out underneath with a nice big arch line, tucking that in. For the tongue, we're going to curve this all the way over and down. Now underneath the nose, we're going to curve this out to the mouth. From that point now, we're going to curve this across to the leg. Let's step up from this line for the leg now, curving this down, connecting that, continuing to pull that through. Let's come down. We're just going to round out the top of the foot. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this all the way over and through to the top, ending that at the same width. From where it bends here, we're just going to round that out, tucking that down. Now let's come across. So leaving a small gap, we're going to arch this around and into the top. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this over and down to that line on the bottom. Let's close off the top of the leg now. So we're just going to round that out, tucking that into the chin. And now we can round at the back of the body. So on the top, coming up from this line slightly, we're going to curve this around, tucking that down. Let's continue. So from that point, curving this over and into the leg. Let's step in. From that point again, we're going to round this out, curving that over and through to the top. Let's draw on the hind leg here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this over, tucking this down. Now from that point, we're going to tuck this back into the top. And then we're just going to round out the leg here, arching that in. Lastly, let's add in our tail. So stepping up, we're going to spiral this around, curving this over and through. We're just going to leave a small gap. Stepping across again, rounding this out, curving this over and back through. Continuing to curve this up, arching this around and in, stepping down, replicating that once more. And to close off the end of the tail here, let's just draw in a nice big circle, arching that in. And that is it. That's how you draw a Tepig. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.